Hi everyone, it's Arlene from Arlene's Creations, and today we're going to be making quiche. My mother needs a few quiche for the church, so I'm going to be making 3 different types of quiche. One type of quiche is going to be spinach, bacon, onion, and cheese. Another one we're going to be doing is just an all vegetable, which will be the peppers, the onions, these are different colored peppers, onions, and broccoli, and spinach. And then the third one will be peppers and onions, ham, and cheese. So what you're going to need is, of course, your vegetables, your broccoli, your peppers, your onions. You're going to need, I'm doing it in the deep dish pie crusts. We like the deep dish ones, or else you can use the other ones. Some diced onions, some ham, some spinach, some bacon, some sharp cheddar cheese, some eggs, and some light cream. If you don't have light cream, you could just use milk, or you can use half and half, and also some salt and pepper. So that's what you're going to need to make these different types of quiche. Okay, so in my bowl here, I have 2 dozen eggs, which I'm just going to whisk together here real quick. I'm going to add some black pepper. Not too much, but you do want to season your eggs a little bit. And I'm going to put a little salt. And the light cream, if I can get it open. There we go. And to 2 dozen eggs, for the light cream, I'm going to put about a cup. Now, like I said, I'm making quite a few of these for the church, for my mom. So that's why I have 2 dozen eggs here. You want to make sure that it's very well incorporated. So for these first 2, I'm going to be doing a bacon, spinach, and cheese, and an all vegetable. Okay. So, the first one is going to be spinach. So I'm just going to put about 3 tablespoons of spinach, some bacon, and some cheese. And you could put however much you'd like. I just want to make sure that there's plenty in each slice. And then what I'll be doing is ladling in the egg mixture until it comes to the top, while mixing in all of the ingredients to move it around. Now, I did squeeze out all the water out of the spinach, so you want to make sure you do that. I'll put one more. These are just frozen pie crusts from the supermarket, and it says to bake whatever you're baking inside of it at 375 to about 375 degrees for about 35 to 40 minutes. I think I'll add a little more bacon. A little more spinach. That looks good. I'll probably have to crack more eggs. So that's that one. Now, for the vegetable one, I'll be putting some onion. It's a piece of ham. Some peppers and onions. And some spinach. And actually, I have broccoli over here, which I'm squeezing the water out of as well. And I would just cut it with a knife and chop up a little bit of broccoli in it. So this is going to be an all vegetable, and then I'll add cheese. Now these are going to go into the oven for 35 to 40 minutes, and I'll see how well they're cooked. If they do need a couple more minutes, I'll let you know. Cheese, where's my open cheese? Here it is. Just throw some cheese in there and mix that one up as well. Just want to keep washing my hands here. What I do with my spoon, I don't know. You can use tomatoes, you can put scallion, whatever you would like, you can put into quiches. Any type of meat, you could do turkey, ham, sausage. Sausage would be really good, sausage, cheese, and onion. Alright, so that's the first two. And I'm going to pop these in the oven. And in the meantime, while these are in the oven, I'm going to put together the other ones. Alright, so I put this one together already, and this was just broccoli, ham, and cheese. So now this one I'm going to make like a smorgasbord of everything. This one's going to be for my house. I'm making 4 for my mother for the church, 1 for me, and 1 for my mom's house. So in this one for my house, I'm just going to put a little bit of everything, some ham and some bacon. I have more bacon over here that I have to chop up that's already cooked. And the way I cooked my bacon was just on the baking sheet in the oven, 400 degrees, for about 20 minutes until it was nice and crispy. So there's ham and cheese there. Ham and bacon. I'm going to put some cheese. Going to add a little bit of the peppers and the onions. Add a little bit of the spinach. And cut up a couple of the broccolis. So this one's going to be for my house, for my husband, for breakfast for the next couple days, hopefully. And then I'm just going to make 2 more. I have a lot of bacon over there cooked, so I'm going to do a broccoli. Probably a bacon and cheese. And I have more spinach, and then make my mother just one like this as well. So with the 2 dozen eggs that I cracked before, this is another 2 dozen. So 2 dozen eggs, I got 3 deep dish quiches out of 2 dozen eggs, and that was with adding 1 cup of the light cream. But like I said, you can use heavy cream, you can use half and half, or you could just use plain milk. So I'm just going to continue to mix this one all up. I love the colors in it. It looks so pretty. Alright, so we have a broccoli, ham, and cheese. We have an everything. I have 2 more pie crusts, and I'm just going to put together probably 2 more everything. I'm just going to use up what I have left here. And I'm going to bake 2 at a time in the middle rack of my oven on the baking sheet on 375 for 40 minutes. I'm going to check it after 30 minutes, but I put the timer on for 40. Then I'll show you how they come out. Alright, so these last 2, I just basically put what was ever left, and then I wanted to add more spinach, so I had fresh spinach in the refrigerator. So I just added some fresh spinach, and basically the bacon that was left, the ham, the cheese, there was a little bit of peppers and onions. So basically whatever was left over. Just going to mix this up really well. And as this cooks, the spinach will wilt down. So, this one looks good. I love spinach. And that's about it. So I'm just waiting for the first ones to come out of the oven. And then I'll be cooking all of these, and I'll show you the pictures at the end. And the one for my house, I'm actually going to have a bite. So I'll cut into it and show you what it looks like. Because I've been up literally since 6:30 this morning. And it's about 11:30 in the afternoon right now, and I haven't eaten anything. I had 1 glass of iced tea, and I'm starving. So I cannot wait to dig into one of these. I'm going to clean up my kitchen real quick. By that time, I should have a couple of baked off, and I'll show you how everything looks. Alright, so 4 of the quiches are baked. I have the last 2 in the oven. So over here we have the bacon, spinach, and cheese. We have the all vegetable. And then these 2 are the everything. It's just what was ever left over. And I have the broccoli and ham and cheese and onion. And then another everything one in the oven. So I'm just going to cut. This one I'm going to keep for myself and my husband. So I'm just going to cut into this. And show everybody what it looks like inside. It's still hot, but... And I ended up cooking them 375 for 45 minutes each. Now, my mother will be heating these up tomorrow before she goes to the church function. And what I'm going to tell her to do is to put foil around the crust at the edge. Put it back in the oven. 350 for about 15 to 20 minutes to heat it up. But you definitely want to put foil around the edge of the crust so that it does not burn. And I'm starving, so I cannot wait to eat this. And there you have it. A beautiful everything quiche. This one has the spinach, the bacon, the ham, some broccoli, some peppers, and onions, and cheese. So whatever was left, I just put in these two. And it looks delicious. I cannot wait to dig in. Well, thank you everyone for watching my video on how to make an easy, delicious quiche. These are great for brunches. These are great for a dinner if you just feel like having one of these slices as a nice dinner. Of course, for lunch, for breakfast, and super easy to do. And you don't have to buy all these ingredients. If you just want a broccoli and ham and cheese, of course you would just get those 3 ingredients. But thank you everyone for watching. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Please hit that notification bell so you know when I have another video coming up. And I'm gonna dig in and eat my quiche. Alright everyone, thank you so much for watching again, and everyone have a happy, wonderful day, and I'll talk to you all soon. God bless you. Bye.